watching You Made That, and today I'm going to make that. I got some Chalk Couture cutouts and some transfers. Look at these. And I'm going to be making some Valentine things for my tiered tray. And I got 2 packs of these in case I mess up. Then I can do I can have a good version and a bad version. And this is all from my friend Glenna. She has Crafts with Glenna, and she does Chalk Couture, and so I'm hoping to make her proud today as I work on these. Here is what I have. I have a little bin of water because you're going to want to clean your transfer. I have an official Chalk Couture fuzzing cloth. Glenna gave me this for my birthday. She said, Tina, if you're going to be chalking, you got to have the official things. No, she didn't say that. I'm just making that up. But isn't that so sweet of her? She also gave me this because pink is her signature color. And this is what I hold my little squeegees in. This is the tool that gets you those fine little areas. So I always just take a couple of these out because I never know what I'm going to want to use. And then I have this little board brush, and mine's seen better days. There's like a chunk missing out of it. I don't know. It's kind of like a magic eraser except with no chemicals. So that's what I also kind of wipe these down with. And then I'm going to use, I thought these would be Valentine-y. I have this Shimmer Crimson and Shimmer Silver. And I thought, let's use those. So the first thing I'm going to start with is I'm going to do these hearts. And I'm going to do this transfer on this heart. The fun thing is if I mess up, I can always wipe this clean and start over. So I can just take this and some water, wipe it clean. You'll never know. I can also do the back. So I love how useful and forgiving these are because we can just wash it off. And then what we start with here is we cut this away from the vinyl backing. If I can get it. Okay. And just use my scissors and cut. I love this sound. This is my fave. But this is like silk screen material. It's very sticky. And we just separate the transfers that we're going to use. I am fumbling a lot. Okay, here we go. Also looking at my camera, making sure I'm still in the shot. Okay, I just love that sound. I don't know, call me crazy. So we've got this. Then we're going to bring the defuzzing cloth, and you know, for a lot of projects I just used a towel because when you're starting something new you don't know how much you're going to like it, so you dip your toes, you get the little paste packets, you use a towel, and then you go, you know what, I like this, I'm going to keep doing this. And then you start getting like the little jars of paint or ink, paste I mean, and your friend gives you a fuzzing cloth and it's all good. So that's what I'm using. I fuzzed it a couple of times. This one has a little goob on it. I'm going to use this side. Okay, so I'm just going to want to place this on. How is the best way to do this? I suppose I could go like this. I'm going to start like that. And then I'm going to hold this up. And I can see through it. So now this is good. I can check my edges. You know what? That's gonna do. Yeah, I can see through that. And then press from the middle out. I kind of want to have some be silver. Should I do that? I don't know. Okay. An ombre would be kind of nice, wouldn't it? I'm scared. Oh, this is brand new. I've never used this before. Huh. I didn't know that. And more fumbling on. There we go. I should probably stir this, and I just dipped my finger in it. Very important thing I forgot to have on my desk is some damp paper towels because I'm very messy and I tend to dip my hand in paste. Okay, I have a popsicle stick here. I'm just going to stir this up since it's brand new. Ooh, looks like frosting. Don't eat it. This is not frosting. Okay. Oh, I better open my silver too. If I can. Okay. And I've got another popsicle stick. I'm going to stir this up. Look at that. That's pretty. Yes, there are paste packets. But I decided I would get the jars because I want to keep doing this and the jars are easier to use. You know what? I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to do some silver and some red. Kind of winging it. But you know, art is about experimenting. Of course, I don't want to get silver in my jar of red, so I will have to be careful about that. And the shimmer ones take longer to dry than the other colors that aren't shimmer. So, that's good because I don't want it to dry on my transfer. That's why I'm working kind of quickly, even though these are shimmers. I could see that I've gotten a little silver. Hey, it is what it is, but none in there, so that's good. Uh-oh, it's sticking to my paper. Okay, peel and reveal. Let's see what it looks like. I hope that paper comes off my transfer. Oh, I missed a couple. I'm going to put it back down and go over those because the ones that I missed were silver, I could tell. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't be working on newsprint. I don't know. Okay. Yay. You know, it is what it is. I'm going to put this in the in my water bin so that I can at least have that soaking while I decide if I like this or not. I don't know. I may redo it all in red, but I still have to kind of wash my transfer and all that. So, I'm moving on. I'm moving on to the love. I'm going to put this on this. Will I do two colors? Not sure. So a couple of things. When we wash off the transfer, we want to dry it with the sticky side up. The stick will come back. There's that paper that I had. The stick will come back when it's dry. And it looks like it's almost already dry. And I did put some kind of release paper behind here. It's vinyl release paper. Oh, I need to fuzz love a couple times, and I'm only going to do the shimmer crimson. Not going to mess with two colors. Are you serious? Okay, phew. I am like a mess. Why am I doing this today? Okay, here we go. We're going to line this up. Oh, this is easy to see. I'm just lining up the bottom edge. I got to watch the E too. Okay, let me hold it up so I can... Oh, and there's a little outline. Okay, don't line up the bottom edge, Tina. It's going to leave a little outline all around. Okay, I'm going to have to turn off the camera because I got to get close to see this one. That was actually really easy to do, to line it up. I just had to get kind of right on top of it. So, didn't want you to see the back of my head. Okay, decided. All red. In fact, I'm going to use my bigger squeegee. Chalking is really fun and really fast. You can just make home decor items pretty quickly. But if you're a messy crafter like me, kind of klutzy, then, you know, you gotta work with that too. Take that into consideration. Okay, peel and reveal. Peel in the air. Yeah, leaves that white, whoops, it leaves that light border. Yay! Okay, I like. Here's what I'm thinking. When I saw this plaid, I really wanted two colors. So I said, Glenna, how can I get two colors from this plaid? And she said, paint the background and then do the plaid in another color. Well, I don't have a pink paste, so I'm going to paint this heart pink with this acrylic paint. And then I am going to let it dry and then do this transfer over the paint in a different color to get two colors. Will this work? I don't know. I'm going to try it. I painted this maybe 3 times with that light pink, and it's nice and dry. So now I've got my plaid that I am fuzzing so that it's not so sticky. And I'm going to do the silver for the plaid. So let's see, maybe this will just pull this paint right off. I don't know. I didn't do any research. I'm just experimenting. How do I want the plaid to go? I'm going to do it like that. Pressing from the middle out. Here goes nothing. And the big reveal. Oh my gosh, I love. Whoa, the experiment worked. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna wipe my hands because here's what I've got. The other one, remember the first one we did that had this and it was red and white? Well, I wiped it off. It came right off. I had a little elbow grease in that eraser and cleaned it up. So now it's white again because I didn't really like the looks of that. So I want to do another plaid. That's the plan for this one. Here is all of what I chalked. 2 of these and 2 of these. Get that to focus. Again, the back is blank, so I can always do something on the backs. And then this arrow, and I took the Be Mine from this transfer pack. The arrow came in the other one, the other transfer pack, so it just did the outline, which I liked, and then I could put my own message in the middle. And this one says Happy Valentine's Day. And this I got from Hobby Lobby, and it's a great surface for chalking, and already comes with its own hanger, so I put this one on here. Yeah, so that was super fun. In fact, I was searching my house. What else can I chalk? What other surfaces do I have? Dollar store ones work well too. But yeah, so I'm going to put these on my tiered tray and show you in a minute. Here's my finished tiered tray. I am happy with how it turned out. I just added some glue dots to the back of that heart and stuck it on the top of it. And I think it's finally ready for Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching.